Some of the realest love never have to talk loud feet be felt love. No loud, no rush, no driven by fear, but gentle like snowfall when sky clear. No chaos born from empty need, but peace where plant a steady seed. It no broke for force place. It come like stillness you can't replace. Like breath you never know you lost, restoring all the pain it cost. And somehow it understand you deep, the parts you hide, the wounds you keep. It see your flaws and no run, and stays when others come undone. It see your weakness, every scar, and still decide that are who you are. Not because you're perfect or well, but because it recognize your soul. And in that space so still, so true, two broken hearts start brand new. No make the same, no force fi blend, but choosing growth until the end. Love become alignment, not control. A meeting place of heart and soul. A quiet vow without a chain. Me see your light, me see your pain. In a that silence something shift, like heaven open subtle gift. A present fell beyond the two, like God breath moving through. A reminder love no ever chance, but guided step in a sacred dance. If that love pure and right, it no fade with time or night, It no dead when distance call. It rise, it heal, and it no fall. It become more than heart alone, a legacy we find it home. A flame pass on from soul to soul, through broken pieces made whole. And maybe love, when truly free, returns in ways we can't see. Beyond the touch, beyond the name, it never dead. It stays the same. 'Cause real love no disappear, it transform.